1. When working with pressurized cylinders, what conditions of associated storage have to be met? The cylinders must be upright and secured to prevent a fall. 2. The two hoses on an oxygen-acetylene welding cutting set are colored differently. Give the two colors and which is which? Blue, oxygen. Red, acetylene. 3. Is oxygen detectable by smell? No, it is an odorless gas. 4. Name one correct way to test for a gas leak. 1. By brushing with soapy water over suspected point of leak. 2. Use an appropriate sensitive gas detector. 5. Is it acceptable to store all gas cylinders in the one store? No, cylinders containing flammable or explosive gases should never be stored in the same store as oxygen. 6. The normal pressure for compressed air lines in factories is in the region of 81/100ths of a pound per square inch. Give 2 dangers of using a line of this pressure for cleaning clothing and machinery. 1. The air at this pressure may be forced through the skin, and if it enters the bloodstream the result could be fatal. 2. The air at this pressure will blow around small objects that can cause accidents. 7. Name essential safety requirements which should be associated with an air receiver. 1. The safe working pressure must be clearly marked on it. 2. A suitable safety valve must be fitted. 3. An accurate pressure gauge must be fitted. 4. There should be an inspection manhole. 5. There should be an identification mark or number on it. 6. There should be a drain appliance fitted. 8. What is the correct procedure for joining a gas hose to a cylinder regulator? The hose should be connected to an approved hose connector, and all hose connector joints should be completed by the fitting of hose clips of the Jubilee or other approved type to ensure a gas-tight joint. 9. What 4 essential precautions are necessary when handling or storing oxygen cylinders? 1. Store upright. 2. Keep oil away from valve. 3. Do not expose to heat. 4. Do not drop. 10. Name 4 common non-flammable gases. Nitrogen, oxygen, argon, nitrous oxide, carbon dioxide, BCF, helium. 11. How is A. Carbon monoxide formed and B. What is it? A. Carbon monoxide is created by the incomplete combustion of any carbon-based fuel. B. It is a toxic, colorless, odorless, tasteless and non-irritant gas that is slightly less dense than air and is very soluble in water. 12. What 4 safety precautions should be taken to control carbon monoxide exposure in a workplace? 1. Keep rooms properly ventilated when gas appliances are operating. 2. Keep gas appliances properly maintained and serviced at regular intervals. 3. Portable petrol, diesel engines should never be run indoors in a confined space. 4. Where forklift trucks or similar are used indoors in warehouses, etc., advice should be sought from the regulatory authorities or suppliers. 14. What are the similar and dissimilar distinguishing features between threads of combustible and non-combustible gas cylinders? 1. The cylinders have the same screwed thread size. 2. Right-hand threads are on oxygen and non-combustible gas cylinders. 3. Left-hand threads are on acetylene and other combustible gas cylinders. What emergency steps should you take if an acetylene cylinder becomes hot due to a flashback or accidental heating? Give 3. 1. Shut the valve if possible. 2. Detach the regulator or other fittings. 3. Take cylinder out of doors and immerse in water or drench with water until cylinder is cool. 4. Contact the supplier for further advice.
Please give comment and suggestions.
Thank you.
Subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank for visit our channel. See you next class.
Thank you.